Hello everyone, my name is Chung, CEO and co-founder of Lexco Company Limited. Today I'm very happy to introduce the new model from AVITA. AVITA is launching in the world more than 5 years, and we have a lot of the new models in the world from the Liber V, Essential, Pura, and Vegas, and of course our Amara. Today I would like to introduce one of our family members called SATUS Ultimus. This model is very nice, especially again, it's very good design and fit and light. Let me just try. So I think this model is one of a very, first model we would like to introduce in India. And that is made in India, of course. Firstly, there's a lot of very basic accessory box. And most important, showing the SATUS Ultimus. Especially this model, even though it's very competitive pricing, it's very nice of like a packing. Even those customer can bring it to the outside as a, like our kind of a carry case. And the first impression is very elegant and of course very simple, and but of course very nice and beautiful. And this model, wow, you can see very good quality. And this is thin thickness is like 16.9 millimeter and very lightweight. It's just 1.3 kilogram. So I think the model is very suitable for work from home and study from home. And let's see, even though when try to bring it open, it's very cool. Those model, very good of ThinkPad. I mean those touchpad, and even those a lot of good keyboard filler. And this model, of course, this is a FHD monitor. So I think those model is very nice for, a lot of usage to seeing, playing the game, and even those see the, video and the movie through the internet. So when you try to switch on, wow, very quick, because I think this is located in the inside is SSD. So I think those model can be upgradable for all those SSD capacity. So I think the models is pretty good, and especially because this is an Intel CPU and a very good performance together of the Full HD monitor, and this is a 14-inch. Of course, that is very compact. So I think this model is one of I believe it's one of the very popular model in India, because they are not just only follow our heritage of design of AVITA. They have 6 color, not just only black color. And also very suitable for the young and young teenage people and young executive. So very good for everyone to utilize those mobility of the usage. I strongly recommend this model. I believe this model will be very popular in India. Thank you.